All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes the difference. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. If you don't like where you are, move. You are not a tree. Never stop trying. Never stop believing. Never give up. Your day will come. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. End is not the end. In fact, end means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember, no means next opportunity. So let's be positive. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. If you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. Never give up on your dreams. No matter how old you are, no matter where you are today, don't give up dreaming for a better tomorrow. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Be active. Take on responsibility. Work for the things you believe in. If you don't, you are surrendering your faith to others. Winner never quit, and quitter never win. Don't quit. Keep trying. Don't stop. Keep moving. Don't despair. Keep believing. There is a way. There is always a way. Lovely thing to learn from water. Adjust yourself in every situation and in any shape. But most importantly, find your own way to flow. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.